Is your productivity stopped because Localized boot or Startup Scan logic can't find the Startup Scan Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Before we start the Startup Scan Library manual guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Startup Scan Library, a specialized antivirus Startup Scan library. It manages the unmanaged localized orchestration of localized boot time localized security scans, facilitating the localized data link between localized unmanaged localized virus manifests and the localized bootloader. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Startup Scan is a proprietary library bundled specifically within the localized boot/Startup Scan logic file set, and the safest way to recover this file is to run the official setup for your main application, where you encountered the error again. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Startup Scan library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing Startup Scan Library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. To reduce system-level conflicts, the maintenance utility below provides general guidance on managing the Startup Scan library. If your workstation is back online and Startup Scan library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.